How to use filters in Filto app. Let's learn it to make your photos and videos shine. Open the Filto app on your phone and start a new project by tapping the plus button. Import the photo or videos you want to edit from your gallery. Once your file loads into the editor, look at the bottom toolbar and tap Filter. You will see a variety of filter categories: bright, vintage, cinematic, pastel, and more. Swipe left or right to preview them. Type on filter to apply it instantly. You will see how your photo or video change in real time. Want more control? Adjust the filter intensity by sliding the bar left or right until it looks perfect. If you change your mind, just tap another filter or hit reset to go back to original. Try layering a filter with effects like light peak or color overlays to create a new vibe, and that's it. You now know how to use filter in Flitter to give your content that professional polished look. If this quick tutorial helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun editing tips. Catch you in the next one.